Welcome to Tech for SLN. Type this link in any browser. visualstudio.microsoft.com/downloads. You can copy the link from video description that I shared. Visual Studio 2019 has 3 editions: Community Edition, Professional Edition, and Enterprise Edition. You can use Visual Studio Code also. But, my C# tutorials will create using Visual Studio 2019. And if you are using Mac OS, you can download Visual Studio for Mac. Click on Free Download button. After click on this button, Visual Studio Installer will download, and you need to install it. After complete the installation, you will see this panel. Here is 2 tabs available: Installed and Available tab. In the Installed tab you will see the Visual Studio that you already installed in your computer. In the Available tab you will see another edition of Visual Studio, so from this tab you can select Visual Studio 2019 Professional Edition, then click on Install. You can select .NET Desktop Development from the Workloads tab. For C# learning you need this one only. And later you will need some other tools. You can modify it later. Finally click on Install button. And then Visual Studio will download and install parallelly. After successfully installed Visual Studio, you can open it, and will see this window. In next tutorial I will show how to create first console application. So, we'll see in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.